Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2024. Oil press machine price in India. What you need to know before buying.
ICOS and Bueller connect dozens of Start UPS incorporates to accelerate sustainability.
Andritz introduces comprehensive automation and digitalization solutions for the feed industry.
The feature of the grain suction machine.
Poly, rice prices will fall during the harvest season.
2024 wheat output forecast to grow despite price-driven cutbacks in planted area.
Health and Nutrition Asia 2024 brought the industry together and exceeded expectations.
Underscoring the latest agricultural technologies are being introduced to build smart Bangladesh.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2024, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.